With this package you will be able to create realistic gravity using the formula of gravitation from Newton, and in this case we're going to show how to configure your solar system. Check that you have the tags on your tag inspector that are called generator, affected, adjacent and affected. This is important because the script now detects the different game objects that are going to be generators of gravity, affected by gravity, or both. In this case we have added the tag generator to the sun, and we have done the same thing for the Earth, but in this case we have added the gen and affected tag. Same to the moon, that is going to be only affected, and the same to the Mars game object, that is going to be generator and also affected by the gravity. So the gravity script, what it does at the beginning is check which are going to be the generators. In this case they're going to be the Sun, Mars and Earth, because they are configured like that using the tags, and then it's going to check which are the affected game objects by gravity, in this case the Moon, Mars and Earth. So for example, if we want to add another planet, you just have to copy the Earth, for example, move it around in the place you want to put it, check the initial speed in order to make it work properly. In this case we're going to do -x in the x direction and hit play, because we want it to be a generated and affector of gravity. So if you hit play, you will be able to add another planet to your solar system, like that. And as you can see, it's going to affect the other objects as they move in the scene. This is all regarding this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you consider downloading this package.